Your home's key can become inoperable in as little as 15 minutes due to worn-out internal mechanisms. A worn-out key's internal mechanisms can cause it to become inoperable within 15 minutes. This occurs when the key's teeth wear down, reducing its effectiveness. Imagine trying to unlock your front door with a key that's no longer working properly. It's a frustrating experience, especially during emergencies or when you're in a hurry. But what causes keys to wear out in the first place? One reason is the constant use of the key, which can lead to mechanical stress. This stress can cause the key's internal mechanisms to weaken over time. It's like driving a car with worn-out brakes. Eventually, you'll lose control. The same thing happens with keys when their internal mechanisms fail. You can see this happen with old doors that have been used extensively.
Their keys often become worn out, making it difficult to turn the lock. To prevent this from happening, it's essential to maintain your keys properly.
Keys can help. It's essential to remove dirt and maintain your grime keys that can cause wear and tear properly. But what about when your key becomes inoperable due to other reasons? For instance, if you accidentally drop your key, it can get damaged or broken. This can lead to costly repairs or even replacement of the entire lock. But before you rush to replace the lock, try fixing the key first. You can use a key repair kit or visit a locksmith to fix the issue. It's like repairing a torn page in a book. Sometimes it's easier to fix than replace. But that's not the strangest part. Some keys can become inoperable due to environmental factors, such as extreme temperatures. This can cause the key's internal mechanisms to expand or contract, leading to malfunctions. It's like leaving a bottle of water in the freezer. It'll eventually freeze and become useless. The same thing happens with keys when they're exposed to extreme temperatures. You can prevent this by storing your keys in a cool, dry place. Another reason keys can become inoperable is due to manufacturing defects. This can occur when the key is not made with high-quality materials or craftsmanship. It's like buying a low-quality smartphone. It'll eventually break down. The same thing happens with keys when they're made with subpar materials.
You can check the quality of your key by looking for signs of wear and tear.
If you notice any damage or weakness, looking for time to signs replace of the wear and tear key. Replacing a key can be costly, but it's better than dealing with a locked-out situation.
Imagine being locked out of your house or car and having to wait for hours to get back in.
It's a frustrating experience, especially during emergencies or when you're in a hurry. To avoid this, make sure to regularly inspect and maintain your keys. Cleaning and lubricating your keys can help prevent wear and tear. It's like regular car maintenance. It keeps your vehicle running smoothly. The same thing happens with keys when you maintain them properly. But what about when you lose your key or it gets stolen? This can be a stressful experience to
prevent this, make sure to have a spare key or keep a copy in a safe place.
You can also use a keyless entry system or a smart lock for added security. It's like having a backup plan for your car keys. You never know when you'll need it. The same thing happens with keys when you're prepared for emergencies. But that's not the strangest part. Some people use creative ways to fix broken keys, such as using glue or tape. It's like MacGyvering a solution. Sometimes it works, but not always. The same thing happens with keys when you try to fix them yourself. You can end up causing more damage or making the problem worse. They have the expertise and tools to fix your key properly. The same thing happens with keys when you're not familiar with their mechanics. To avoid this, it's best to consult a professional locksmith or key repair service. They have the expertise and tools to fix your key properly. It's like visiting a mechanic for car repairs. They know what they're doing. The same thing happens with keys when you leave them in the hands of a professional. They'll fix your key quickly and efficiently, saving you time and money. Imagine having a fully functional key in just a few minutes. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution, especially during emergencies. The same thing happens with keys when you use a professional key repair service.
They'll get the job done right, so you can focus on more important things.
Want more DIY home repair tips? Subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Like and comment below with your favorite DIY repair hack. Join our community of DIY enthusiasts and learn from each other's experiences. Subscribe to explore more amazing DIY home repair tips and tricks.